permanent. It's not permanent. This is not you. Yeah, so now I had to understand, like Bushbuckridge didn't define who I am. Okay, well, Silver Lakes defines me. Yes, because you know, that one, I'm born on my. But Bushbuckridge didn't define me.
Okay.
Because that house in Bushbuckridge, it's not my house. It's my parents' house. Yeah, they decided on their own. Like they didn't even consult me. I was not even born for that matter. They just decided, hey, and the plaza Bushbuckridge Mashangan. Why come here is Shangan? You know, Akala. Yeah, it's Hamakwala, it's Hamala. Why can I like Bushbuckridge? Ngazalwa mina nabantu abanephupho lokufika leBushbuckridge. Kanti mina nginamaphupho ami ahlukile angikhomba eSilver Lakes. Yes.